Want to level up your Roobet game with Bitcoin, but Apple Pay is your go-to payment method? Here's the deal: Roobet operates mainly with crypto, meaning you can't directly deposit using Apple Pay, but don't worry, there's a workaround. First, you'll need to head to a crypto exchange that accepts Apple Pay. Popular choices include Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken, but do your research to find the best option for you based on fees, security, and availability in your region. Once you've chosen your exchange, create an account and complete any necessary verification steps. Then, navigate to the Buy Crypto section, select Bitcoin, and choose Apple Pay as your payment method. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase. Review the transaction details, including any fees, and confirm your purchase. You've now got Bitcoin. Now, head over to Roobet and log into your account. Go to the deposit section and select Bitcoin. You'll see a unique Bitcoin address displayed. This is where you'll be sending your newly acquired Bitcoin. Go back to your crypto exchange app, find the send or withdraw option for Bitcoin. Carefully copy and paste your Roobet Bitcoin address into the destination field. Double check that the address is correct to avoid losing your funds. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to transfer and confirm the transaction. It might take a few minutes for the transaction to be processed and confirmed on the blockchain. Once the transaction is confirmed, you'll see your Bitcoin balance reflected in your Roobet account. Now you're all set to enjoy Roobet with Bitcoin funded through Apple Pay. Remember to always gamble responsibly.